everyone, welcome to Rios Recipes. I'm Jenny Rios. Welcome to my kitchen. It has been really hot here in Smith, Nevada, and there are days that I just don't want to turn on the stove. So here's something that I like to serve my family that does not involve actually turning on the stove. We call these tostadas de atún, or tuna tostadas. For this, we're going to need tuna. We'll use a little bit of queso seco, salt and pepper. We will use some canned jalapeno peppers in vinagre or in vinegar, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, some sour cream. You can use your choice of regular sour cream or crema mexicana, either is fine. Some mayonnaise and tostada shells. This is so easy, we're just going to put it all together. So to put this all together, we will open our cans of tuna and we will drain and place in a large bowl. We will chop our onion and add it to our bowl. I've also chopped my cilantro and a couple of tomatoes. I think I might have chopped just a little too much, so we'll take a look at that. And I chopped up some jalapenos. You can use the jalapenos that are already chopped, but I like to chop up a little bit of the carrots that are in there as well. And of course you'll have to decide how spicy you like your food and determine how much you would like to add. Now I'm going to add my sour cream. And some mayonnaise. We will stir this up. I apologize if the video isn't as clear as normal. We are having some issues with our cameras that we just bought, so we're back to cell phone recording for this week. I thought it'd be more important to get the video out than have you all waiting for who knows how long for me to figure out the technical difficulties. The next thing I'm going to add in is some salt and pepper. I will continue to stir. Just want to make sure that everything is well blended. And finally, I've taken a little bit of the vinegar from the canned jalapenos and I'm going to add a little bit of that in. This adds some really good flavor and kind of changes the consistency. And that is it. Now we serve on a tostada shell. I have placed a tostada shell on a fine china plate. That's my paper plate. Added a spoonful of my tuna mix. Going to top with a little bit of queso seco. And add my favorite hot sauce. And there you have it. Dinner without heating up your kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Rios Recipes. Please let me know if you tried this new recipe for tostadas de atún. And as always, we would love it if you would be willing to like, comment, and share. Thank you.